Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin and today we're going to be doing a DIY crystal art card kit. I found this off of Amazon and I'll link it in the description below. It's basically like one of those diamond paintings where you stick all of the little crystals on the letters. And it's going to make this Christmas donkey scene. I'm going to make this for my nan. When this came in the post, it came with this catalogue as well. And this has got all kinds of different cards available and pictures available. They have a lot of Disney ones. Ones you can put in frames. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below and you guys can check that out if you want to. But for now, we'll just get into the video. So it actually comes with a little envelope. This is the card, blank inside. Here's all the crystals that you get and the little tray to put the crystals on. It doesn't come with an instruction set. On the back here of the package, it tells you what it includes, but it doesn't actually come with instructions. I've seen other people doing this type of kit, so I understand basically what you have to do. This here is sticky, and you use this tool to pick up the diamonds or the crystals and put them on the sticky parts. That's pretty cool. It includes little bags to put the beads in, resealable bags, so you can put them away if you haven't finished. That's quite cool. That is a lot of crystals. Has the letters on there, and here on the card it tells you which letters are for what. I think I'm probably going to start with the green. I'll start with the green ones. I'll do this area first and then I'll do the donkeys last. This is the little tray and the piece of glue. Ooh. You peel it back there and then you take this tool and stab it inside basically. You shake it like this, it sets them in the right way up, most of them. It's got the glue in there. Let's get into it. This here is letter N, so I'm just going to peel that back. Keep it this side, I'm right-handed. Oh, it is sticky. Know that I've missed some of them. I think I've got as many as I can see for a minute anyway, so I'm just going to pop these into my little baggies. I'm going to write on there as well the letter of it. Oh, that didn't go well. So I don't forget, because I will forget. Put that to one side for a minute. And then we're going to do the dark green next. I like this part. Do. Okay, as far as I can see, I've done all the green. I am missing two ends. I'll just get those back out now and do those, but other than that I'm pretty sure I've got all of the green done. Anyway, I'll put that bun in a little bag. If I happen to find any more later, I'll just get them back out again. Sorry, I had to pull my sleeves down at this part. My hands were getting quite cold and my arms. One thing I did notice as I was putting the dark red and the white ones on was as they were getting more full, so as there were more crystals going on, it was getting like tight for space. So if I'd have put a previous crystal on a little too much to the left or not quite in the circle, it was getting hard to put the other beads on later on, and I was having to push them down with my finger after putting them on with the tool. I know that's my own fault for not putting them within the lines, but that's something to bear in mind if you're doing this. Just make sure you try and get them within the circles. Okay, so that's my whole background finished. That took about an hour, probably about an hour or so, which I know looking at it you would never believe, but I think that looks really nice. I'm going to get into doing the donkeys now. Oops. Just one more left to do and then we'll be done. So this is what the finished product looks like. It is so sparkly, you guys can see. Sorry, my ring light is reflecting. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like these big gems here. I wish I had like some more, maybe just for the decorations. That would have been really nice. This whole process took probably about 3 hours to finish. I know to look at it, it doesn't look like it will take that long, but if anybody's done this kind of a diamond art painting before, you'll know it takes a really long time. Like, it takes longer than it looks. I really enjoyed doing this and I would definitely recommend to anybody to try this. I found it really relaxing. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've tried these at home or if you plan to try them and what design you did. And also, if you've got any suggestions for any future videos, leave a comment below, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!